Welcome to Bali, gorgeous people, and welcome to Risata Bali Resort and Spa. This is a 4-star resort located in the heart of Kuta in Bali. It offers 131 comfortable rooms and suites, all surrounded by a stunning landscape garden and pathway. A stay at this resort is an escape to a paradise filled with rich Balinese cultural experiences. This will be our home for the next 5 days and 4 nights here in Bali. We booked a junior suite amounting to 4,500,000 Indonesian rupiah or 17,000 pesos, including breakfast. After we checked in, nagutom na ang mga person, kaya naglakad-lakad kami. Malapit lang dun sa resort. Ang dami ding restaurant na makikita. And then, ang maganda dito sa Kuta, the area is only 15 minutes drive from the airport. At saka nasa heart of the city talaga siya. So, marami kang restaurant na makakainan at saka mapagpipilian. Of course, we wanted to try the Balinese food. Ayan, gutom na ang person. Very, very hungry na from a 3 hours flight.
Ubos. Taob na naman ang plato.
We are so excited to try the Balinese massage. Of course, nasa Bali ka na, kaya kailangan mo talagang matry ang Balinese massage. So, dumiretso na kami sa Crown Day Spa, which is only walking distance from the resort. Yung kanilang foot and back massage is only 110,000 Indonesian rupiah or 400 pesos. That's already for 1 hour. At the same time, yung full body massage din, it's only 110,000 Indonesian rupiah or 400 pesos. 1 hour na din yun na full body massage. Ay nako, sobrang relaxing talaga siya. As in, nakatulog ako dyan. It's officially our first day here in Bali. But before we head on to our first tour, magbe-breakfast muna kami dito sa kanilang clubhouse. Kasama to sa binayaran namin sa room. So after our breakfast, we are now going to our first tour. Nag-rent na rin pala kami ng sasakyan for 3 days, which is 900,000 Indonesian rupiah or 3,500 pesos per day. Pero very convenient siya kasi mapupuntahan mo na lahat ng gusto mong puntahan in Bali. So we are now here in Kretia, Ubud. This is one of the best resorts in Ubud at ang mura lang ng entrance fee, which is 70,000 Indonesian rupiah or 250 pesos. Whole day na yon na bayad mo and you can enjoy everything in the resort. This is the Bali Swing. Kasama na to sa binayaran namin na 250 pesos. Pwede ka rin mag-rent ng damit para maganda ang iyong video and pictures. The rent is 300,000 Indonesian rupiah or 1,000 pesos. You can also enjoy swimming dito sa napakaganda nilang swimming pool. This is a 3-layered swimming pool na overlooking the rice terraces. Sobrang relaxing talaga. This ends our day here in Kretya, Ubud, in Bali, Indonesia. Thank you for watching, gorgeous people. See you again on my next video.